Supreme Court of India Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company Limited versus Mukul Aggarwal and others BMW India Private Limited versus Mukul Aggarwal and others decided on November 20, 2023 SCC Online SC 1487 Facts of the case, BMW 3 Series 320D car of Mr. Mukul Aggarwal, the owner, was completely damaged and beyond repair due to an accident which took place near DLF Square at Gurgaon on 29th July 2012. The owner took two protections. The first was a motor insurance policy of Bajaj General Insurance Company Limited, the insurer, and the second one was the BMW Secure Advance policy, the BMW Secure, of BMW. The insurer repudiated the complaint before the State Commission at Delhi. The State Commission directed both the insurer and BMW to indemnify the owner for a total loss of the BMW 3 Series 320D car by replacing the car with a new car of the same make/model. In addition, a direction was issued to the insurer and BMW to pay a sum of Rs 50,000 towards compensation and Rs 10,000 for litigation charges. The National Commission dismissed the appeals. Findings of the court. In policy, IDV of the car mentioned in the policy was Rs 29,46,278. On a plain reading of Clause 3, an option is available to the insurer to repair the vehicle or replace the vehicle. It is further provided that in case of the total loss of the vehicle or the constructive total loss of the vehicle, the insurer is liable to pay IDV less the value of the wreck. The entitlement of the insured in case of total loss of the insured vehicle or constructive total loss of the vehicle is the amount equivalent to IDV of the vehicle, including accessories thereon, as specified in the schedule less the value of the wreck. In case of total loss/constructive total loss, instead of paying the amount as aforesaid, the insurer has an option available to replace the vehicle with a new one. Thus, it is not the right of the insured under the policy conditions to always claim replacement of the car. It is at the option of the insurer. BMW Secure certificate. It only contains information about BMW Secure and not the terms of policy. BMW Secure policy, Clause 3 of the policy clarifies that the liability under BMW Secure will arise only in the case of an event giving rise to a motor insurance claim under the motor insurance policy pertaining to the insured vehicle. There is no specific provision in the policy for the replacement of a vehicle in case there is a total loss or constructive total loss or theft of the vehicle. Clauses A and B will apply when the insurer, under the motor insurance policy, replaces the vehicle. Clause C of Section 1 is important, which provides that the liability of BMW under the policy in case of total loss or theft of the vehicle is to pay the actual difference between the IDV of the insured vehicle and the current ex-showroom price of a new vehicle of exactly the same make, model, age, features and specifications where a similar vehicle is out of production. The liability of BMW is restricted to a maximum of 1% of IDV. Thus, there is no provision in the BMW Secure which directly provides that the car will be replaced. BMW can be held liable under the BMW Secure when it is established that the insurer under the motor insurance policy has accepted the case of total loss or constructive total loss of the vehicle. The accident took place in the wee hours of July 29, 2012, and on July 30, 2012, a claim form was filled in by one Deepak Yadav. Dealer had informed the insurer about the accident. The preliminary survey report, dated 17 August 2012, insurer failed to place on record the proof of service of letters. The accident happened is not disputed. It is not the case of the insurer that there was any negligence on the part of the driver of the car. In the final report, the assessed amount, after making deductions, is Rs 25,83,012.45. Thus, in terms of the policy, the loss exceeded 75% of the IDV of the vehicle. The loss is equivalent to 86% of IDV. Hence, there was a constructive total loss of the vehicle. We can take the cost of repairs of Rs 25,83,012.45 as the amount payable under the motor insurance policy. Liability of BMW under the BMW Secure was to pay the actual difference between the IDV of the insured vehicle and the current ex-showroom price of the new vehicle of exactly the same make. There is a deficiency in service rendered by the insurer and BMW. The amount payable by the insurer will have to be quantified at Rs 25,83,012.45, a sum of Rs 7 lakhs can be a reasonable estimate of the amount payable under the BMW secure. In the facts of the case, the total liability of the insurer is rupees 25 lakhs 83,012. The interest can be quantified at 6% per annum. The appeals succeed partly.